report out this morning on Commercial Vehicle Group, symbol CVGI. They announced their first raise under the Capital on Demand Agreement, the ATM we talked about last week. It's a 25 million total agreement. And as of June 29th, the company had sold 2.6 million shares of common stock in the ATM program, generating net proceeds of approximately 11.6 million. And as required under their secured term loan facility, all net proceeds were used by the company to pay down outstanding indebtedness and the associated prepayment premium under the facility. As we noted previously, in mid-June, the outstanding under the term loan was about 80 million. It has a current interest rate of just under 13.5%. So, 11.5 million reduction, nice, should go forward, have a nice cut in the interest expenses. We'll see how much more they raise. The stock was up over, $5 when they announced this. Currently, it's about 4.88. So we'll see what happens here, but a positive in our view, and anything that helps them reduce debt, obviously not only reduces interest costs, but eventually it will provide additional financial flexibility for the company. So we are maintaining our outperform rating on Commercial Vehicle Group.